Hey, how you doing? So listen, today I definitely want to share with you my way of making a T-bone steak. Fast and easy. You guys want to learn about that? You want me to show you how I cook one? Hang in there. Let's go to the kitchen. Here we go.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope this find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. This way you're the next time I come out with a video. And how about a thumbs up? That always helps. So today, I got a nice T-bone steak. That's right, a T-bone steak I got right here. And usually these T-bone steaks are about $12.99, $13.99 a pound. I actually got this one on sale for $9.99 a pound. If you ever see it, this is what it looks like right here. As you can see, it looks like you got a T in there, I guess. Call it T-bone, whatever. Fast, quick, and easy. We're gonna make it. And again, nothing special goes on here. I don't have little bowls with my stuff in there, sprinkle on. I got just regular things here because we're in the kitchen cooking. You know, you're the boss. You cook however you want to cook, and you do what you want to do. Nothing fancy. I took the steak out. I washed it off a little bit, patted it dry. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season it up a little bit now. I got a pan over there. I'm gonna put some olive oil in there. I'm gonna heat the olive oil up. We're gonna cook the steak for about 5 minutes on each side. I'm also gonna draw a little butter in there with it, make it nice. It always just gives that little bit extra flavor. It makes it a little more juicy, I believe. But again, remember, when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. You can do it however you want. I'm showing you the way I make the T-bone steak today. You might make it different. You might have made it different already. You might like the way I make it. You might not like the things I add to it. Add what you want to add to it. If you don't want to add nothing to it, add nothing to it. It doesn't matter. You're the boss, all right? What I'm going to start with today, got me a little sea salt here. Take this top off, which always gives me a hard time. And I'm going to get a little sea salt on it. Take my little white pepper. I have white pepper here. You see that? White pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of that to that. There's the white pepper. Garlic powder. If you like to have a little garlic, nothing wrong with that. You could actually add garlic cloves to it if you want. I prefer just adding a little garlic right to my steak. Put it right in there. Sprinkle a little garlic powder. Here I got parsley and I got oregano. I'm gonna wait to put these on once it's in the pan frying up with the butter. I'm gonna do it that way. This way it kind of like, you know, goes in with the juices and stuff. So I'm gonna pat this down a little bit, get this all inside here nice. Rub it in. Again, remember, whatever you wanna do. You wanna put rosemary on this. You wanna put freaking paprika on it. You want to put some kind of steak seasoning on it. It's up to you, whatever you like to do. Again, if you don't want to put nothing, you put nothing on it. All right, we got that side. Let's flip it over. Just wash my hand off a little bit. All right. Now what we'll do is the same thing to this side. A little bit of sea salt on there. And don't forget, you can put a little extra if you want because when you're cooking, this stuff burns off anyway. So a little bit of white powder. I called it white powder. White pepper. The freak am I talking white powder? A little bit of garlic. And the other stuff once we do it. Rub that in nice. Try to rub it to the sides too. Nice, get a little bit on the sides. Get all those sides in there. Push that in. Beauty. Rub it all around. Get it ready. This is going to be quick and easy, guys. Beautiful steak right here. T-bone steak. Let me wash it a little bit again. All right. Now, I'm gonna put a little oil in the pan. I actually got 20% pure olive oil. And I'll put just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Again, your preference, what you want to do, just enough to cover the bottom. Nothing crazy. You want a little bit more, you put a little bit more. I'm gonna get that nice and hot. I want it to be hot. This way when I put the steak in, it actually sears it. You hear, shh. Nice, a nice little crisp on both sides. This way the outside gets nice little crispy, but the inside stays a little bit soft, a little bit like kind of medium, not medium well. It depends on how you want to cook it too. I'm gonna leave it about 5 minutes on each side. That's gonna give me somewhere close to medium well, but not really, right there. You want it like a little more well, you keep it a little bit longer. If you don't, you take it out a little bit sooner. You do 4 minutes on each side. If you like it a little bit more rare, if you want it to, make a noise like a cow, I don't know, it's up to you. What do you want to do? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer. We're gonna sit the steak in and we'll get this process going. All right, so now we got the oil kind of like nice and heated up here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the steak and lay it in there. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave that in there for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over. What I'm gonna do is add a little bit of butter. I like to add about maybe a tablespoon and a half on this side. And then when I flip it over again, I like to add a table and a half. A teaspoon and a half, a tablespoon, there's in this stick here. In this stick here, there's 8 tablespoons. I'll usually use about 1.5 tablespoons on this side, and then when I flip it over, I add another tablespoon and a half. Let's let this cook up, and remember, always baste it. You can always try to get some juices flowing on both sides. All right, we got about another 4 minutes to go on that side before I flip it. All right, so now we've been cooking this about 5 minutes on this side. What I'm gonna do is flip it over, flip the other side for about 5 minutes. Yeah. Now I'll add some of my oregano. And some parsley. All right, so here we have it. I did the 5 minutes on the other side. I took it out and I actually now let it rest for about 7 to 10 minutes. Because don't forget, you want to take the meat out, whatever you're cooking, anything you're cooking, at least a half an hour to an hour before you cook it, out of the refrigerator, okay? Frozen is a whole different story. You want to definitely defrost it. But if it's in the refrigerator, take it out at least an hour ahead of time, let it sit, cook it, and then if it's steak or any kind of meat like this, you want to let it sit for at least 10 minutes to keep those juices in. If you cut it right away, you're going to lose all your taste, all your juices. So this here actually sat for about 10 minutes. And let's cut it up. Let's see what we got. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see how we did. Cut right on the bone here. Oh, that's looking kind of juicy. That's looking a little juicy. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Nice, juicy. It's a little bit more than medium. It's around medium. It's not medium rare. It's not medium well. It's like right in there. Oh boy, that's delicious. Let's cut off the other side. Look at that. Unbelievable. That, my friends, tastes delicious. That is so freaking good. All right, so what do we got here? T-bone steak, fast, easy, delicious, unbelievably delicious. Quick, easy meal. Remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that bell icon this way you know next time I come out with a video. How about a thumbs up? I think this was awesome. I think you're gonna like this. Steak is pretty easy. You can use a thermometer to take it out if you want to check your temperature. Remember, when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss. Cook how you want, cook how you like, use the ingredients you want. And you don't gotta be fancy. You see, I just use things I don't put things in a cup and sprinkle and throw things. Take your salt out, throw it on there, just cook. The end result is what it tastes like, not how you did it, not what fancy stuff you drew in the cups and buckets and this and that and teaspoons. Make it the way you like, cook it the way you like, put your ingredients where you like, and enjoy it, all right? So guys, until next time, thanks again for stopping by. I appreciate it. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, and until next time, take care of yourselves, and don't forget the thumbs up. I appreciate that, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.